Today I'm going to talk about the Milwaukee M12 LED Work Light, brand new toy. I've had my other work light probably for 7 years. It's the old bulb style. It's still in the service truck. The service truck went out today, so I don't have it to show off. I've had the old light forever. I saw this on sale, so I bought it. It's the new LED. I think it's been out for just a little bit, so it's the LED work light. So let's just take a peek at it here today. First of all, I absolutely love my Milwaukee stuff. I've got the Milwaukee drills. I got the jigsaw. I put a cutting wheel on my cordless grinder. So I have lots of toys. And the real reason I like it is I can see how much battery power is left. I keep one set of batteries for all my heavy duty, my drills, my cutters, all that sort of stuff. But what I absolutely love is this little tiny cordless drill. So it's the M12 system. So basically I just have lights and this and a few other little bits and pieces. But I just love it because same charger does my M16 batteries, and also the same charger does these little M12s. And I absolutely love it. I like it because I can take a look at my little drill. And this thing's 7 years old too, maybe older than that. And it's still going strong. I use this every single day. I use the light on night calls. I have a whole pile of other lights, and we'll actually do a big video on all the different lights I use. I don't like the head ones though. I don't know why. So this is brand new, just got it. Let's just unwrap it. Let's just take a peek at it. So there's the work light. Oh, it's got a magnet. I like that. It's got a little magnet on there, so I can take out my little battery pack, put it on here. Now, when I was a kid, I had the right angle. It was very easy. Just put it in your pocket, and it was really good for camping. The light has some really nice specs. It's water resistant and dust resistant. It's good for a meter or almost 3 feet of if you drop it. I've dropped my other one like crazy, and it just still goes fantastic. So this is new one. It's good for a meter. It says, now this is what's really good, the battery, a fully charged battery, is good for 15 hours on the LED. That's going to last you forever. So not that I ever wore the other one out, but 15 hours on this thing. It's heavy duty. I put it in my toolbox. It's got the little magnet. I've used that for putting on a safe. As I'm trying to look at the dial in the dark, it just sticks on there. So this should be good. Hopefully it lasts another 7 years plus, like my other one. The other one, I basically only went through 2 bulbs in its entire life. 5-year warranty. So 5-year warranty, drop resistant to 1 meter, water and dust resistant. This is going to be a good addition to my toolbox. So I'm really looking forward to adding this Milwaukee M12 LED work light to my toolkit, and I'm going to be testing it in the real world pretty quick, probably tonight. It's going to be a busy night, I think, out there on emergency calls. This will be in the toolbox, as well as my other little lights, and then we'll have a whole video on the other one. So stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe, and you can see all the different videos I have on Locksmith tools that I really like and recommend. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.